Hey guys, it's Charlie Rankin with FloridaFundraiser.com, your Florida School Solutions Agency. Guys, I'm in Orlando, Florida today at a huge warehouse, and I'm going to get some video and some photos of it and share that with you here in a second. I'm in a warehouse that helps with clothing and promotional products called Alphabroder. They're having an open house today, so I drove down to be a part of the open house to tour their facility and see what's going on inside with Alphabroder when it comes to blank garments and garments to be decorated for events like screen printing and also merchandise products. So I just wanted to kind of welcome you. I'll get some photos, I'll get some videos today while we're on campus here at Alphabroder, and who knows, we might find something exciting. All right, let's see.